everybody! How's everyone doing today? I'm excited to show you a neat trick for managing language translation access using the user role feature on Linguise. This will really streamline your workflow and make collaborating with translators a breeze. You can easily assign roles and permissions to each translator for every language. Before we jump into the tutorial, make sure you already have an active account on Linguise. In case you want to try it, I've dropped a link in the description so you can start a free trial. So, no more dilly-dallying. Let's dive right in and get started. When you create a Linguise account and host a domain, you become the admin of that domain. Linguise allows you to share your translations and editing with other members via the member feature on the dashboard. You can invite new members to co-manage your website by emailing them an invitation. There are 3 roles that a member can have. The admin role has access to everything, from back-end to front-end editing, along with additional features not covered in this video. Admins can also remove other members or change their roles. The manager role has access to everything related to translated content, such as back-end editing and translation rules, and can access all available languages. However, managers cannot edit domain configuration, website languages, or billing information. Finally, the translator role can only access the live editor and the languages granted to them by managers and admins, not all available languages. By assigning roles to your members, they can access your chosen domains and collaborate on translation work with you. When you invited someone to co-manage your web, they can access to the Live Editor feature. By Enter the Live Editor, you'll be prompted to select the language you want to edit, which will then take you to the front end of the website. In the top right corner, you'll see a switcher that allows you to change the browser mode, with 3 modes available. The first is the Edition mode, where you can easily click on elements to edit them. Hovering over text will reveal a text box for editing translations, including hyperlink texts and buttons. If you wish to browse other pages on the website without editing translations, you can switch to Navigation mode, which allows normal exploration. Lastly, there's Meta Edit mode, enabling editing of meta information like page titles, descriptions, and SEO-related details for platforms like Facebook. Clicking the Code button loads all meta information for translation. The Live Editor boasts a comprehensive and user-friendly interface, making translation editing and meta management seamless. And now, I'm going to walk you through changing a member's role and exploring what a manager role entails. So, let's dive in. First off, I've got a group of members here that I've invited to my domain. Each of them has 2 actions you can take: edit and detach. When you hit edit, you can switch their role to one of the 3 options I mentioned earlier. Meanwhile, detach will remove their membership to your domain. Now, let's log into a manager account to show you what's possible. By default, a manager has access to the backend and live editor like I showed you earlier, along with all available languages. From the dashboard, managers can configure translation rules and even create new ones. However, anything related to domain configuration and sensitive info, like billing details, is off-limits for manager accounts. Thanks for watching this video. If you're watching this video from YouTube, don't forget to subscribe to our Linguise channel to stay informed about new plugin features and ask us any questions using the comments. And of course, you'll find all the useful links we've talked about in the description. Have a productive day, bye.